Hello and welcome to the course Successfully Deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Businesses, where you will learn the step-by-step process to deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for a business and start using it. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is the hottest enterprise business solution in the market today, and it has been recently launched by Microsoft, and the demand for Dynamics 365 consultants is growing as you are watching this video. Hi, my name is Abhay Sharma and I will be leading you through this course. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and a certified Microsoft Dynamics consultant. I have been implementing and training Microsoft Dynamics products since 2007. I have trained thousands of students around the world and implemented many small, mid and large-scale projects. I have designed this course for every business owner who wants to quickly deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for their business, and for the working professionals and consultants who want to boost their career growth with Microsoft Dynamics 365. By the end of this course, you will be able to successfully deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for business growth. You will be able to plan critical things for a successful Dynamics 365 deployment. I'll practically show you the step-by-step process to successfully deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for a business. Also, you will be able to administer Microsoft Dynamics 365 for optimum usage and performance, and you will learn the basics of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales, marketing, service, field service, project service automation, financials, and operations. Finally, I'll help you understand the next steps to get most out of Microsoft Dynamics 365. The ideal student for this course is a business owner or entrepreneur who want to deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for their business, and working professionals or consultants who want to boost their career growth by learning Microsoft Dynamics 365. Feel free to look at the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside. So take action now and let me teach you how to successfully deploy Microsoft Dynamics 365 for businesses.